Hello everybody, welcome back to my weird world. It's me, Kyle, with another video, and today what we're going to be doing is we are playing some Fnaf Ultimate Custom Night. Now, this game, let me just start out by saying, I love Five Nights at Freddy's. But, this game can go die in a hole. And I am joined by my little niece, Tori. She also loves FNAF, and she doesn't know what this game is.
I only know what Five Nights at Freddy's is and FNAF was.
Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting all of the, things to 3.
Yeah, but literally, still, I don't feel comfortable in here.
I know, we're filming in my office, which is basically my closet. And, so right now we're going to be doing these. We're just doing it to get in the mood of thing. It's probably not going to be a long video. But, next video, I'll try to make it even longer. So, you ready to do this?
Yes, but I don't want to dip stairs like last time.
Okay, so you're going to be telling me what those are, okay?
Alright.
And we've already recorded this once, but unfortunately the game crashed.
Yeah,
So-
we didn't publish it. If we did, I was going to name it, It's a Mistake, Don't Watch It.
Which is just my channel, so... yeah, let's wait. We'll see you guys when the game starts back up. And we are back, so let's continue this with some actual... Why is it going down so fast? What am I using?
I don't know.
That's what I was using, okay.
Look and see if Freddy's still in the hall.
Nah, he ain't in the hall, we good.
Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Vacuum.
Wait, Mr. Vacuum? Is that what
Yeah.
I'm calling the vacuum?
Oh my gosh, that sound.
Ugh, I don't like it.
Can you, like... Oh my god!
Not again! I'm just trying to restart my heart.
Sir, you need to go!
Yeah, that just scared us like the first time we tried.
Okay, But that's nice, though. That's nice, right? That's nice.
No, it still scares me. I don't like balloons. Just that.
Okay.
I don't like pirates. They scare me.
So I'll do ye a favor.
And especially this poster.
Okay, so I'm going to go, plus 1% power because I just don't want it to, like, I don't want to overheat.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. Can I turn the desk fan on? Will that keep me cool? How much power is that going to use? That's using a lot of power and also...
And no, it won't take control. Only it will, friend.
Oh my gosh! Freddy, go! If you guys don't know, last recording session we did, Freddy was, like, everywhere.
In the hallway, he wouldn't leave. I don't want his cookies.
Yeah, we don't want your freaking Girl Scout cookies! Okay?
How about we
Go take them to Foxy, who gives a crap!
I mean, Cheetah. Let's go take them to Cheetah.
Okay?
Yeah, cause Cheetah will want some cupcakes. Actually, you gotta make cupcakes for
Okay,
Cheetah.
what's all...
Char, the bird likes you. So
By the way,
I'll
I'm
do ye a
7.
favor.
Yeah, she's 7.
And he's 15.
Yeah. So, if we get scared, you know it's for real.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna open this door and hopefully he'll be gone. Even though I just checked and he wasn't gone. Is he still there? Freddy! Move your...
But!
Move your fluffy tail butt out of my office!
You know what I would say to Bailey? If that was Bailey, I would say, move your little butt out of my face.
Okay, so he's gone.
I would
So
say,
we can
"Look,"
open this door, but we need to also... I'm gonna turn on the fan.
I would say, get your little beauty out my office. Or else, you're gonna get thrown out my house. That's what I would do.
Why is my power going down so much?
I don't know. Is your power that?
No, my power... Yeah, my power is at 32%.
No.
And it's...
I'm
Hold on.
glad that's not real life, right?
Yeah. No,
That
grab
was-
it.
Char, who touched
No!
Okay. 1% power. I need that. 1% power.
Dude, just get your butt out of here.
Yeah. Freddy! Go away!
Get your fluffy beauty out of here! Or else I'm gonna put you on his phone, and then he has to stare at you.
Oh my god!
I had to cover my ears because of that.
Okay, that was a little terrifying.
That is what I want to sit down for.
That was a little terrifying. I'm not gonna lie.
I had to cover my ears. That was so loud.
We lasted 5 minutes.
The good thing is, your papa and Nana ain't here, right?
Yeah.
So then,
Okay.
that would be horrid. I've seen the Mr.
Office. This is not great. Challenges. Should we try to do one challenge before the video's over? You know what? We're gonna do, old friends. Oh no.
Should we do her?
You know what? You wanna try this?
Okay.
All of them?
Okay, that's gonna be
We're
scary.
trying all of them.
That's
Here we
gonna-
go!
That's gonna be horrid, but okay.
Very hard.
It's
But
gonna,
we can do it.
it's gonna be scary though, right?
Oh, very scary.
Especially the baby one and the nightmares,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
All the nightmares and the babies
Yeah.
and the
So if you
nightmares
guys
of the
enjoy
babies.
videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Oh. Why are you here?
Why is he already there?
Oh my god! We lasted so long.
How is he already there?
We lasted so long, didn't we?
No.
You know what? I'm gonna set them all to 1.
What does that mean?
That means that everyone has 1% chance to get aggravated. Or like, you know. So maybe that'll help us.
Yeah, maybe. But that was horrid.
He was already in the office! Like, how do you get rid of him?
I don't know. How was he already in there?
That's what I'm saying.
If
Why are you here, Rockstar Freddy?
You know what I
Turn
would
you
do
off.
if he was already in here?
What?
I would drive him and put him in your pants and
No.
But you know what I would do?
What?
I would drive him, put him in your pants and throw him outside.
Okay. What in the world? Bye.
See ya.
Ventilation.
See you next time.
Bye. No.
How dare you already be in his office? Shame on him. What, Jamie? I mean, you know what I meant.
Can you go away, sir?
Stop!
Oh my god!
Oh no!
I don't hate you, but you need to stay out of my way.
Excuse me?
That was baby, what?
No, that was Puppet.
Yeah, Puppet.
We decided, yo, wait, you came into my office, you started to scare me, don't even,
No! I ain't walking out of my office, okay?
Alright, guys, that does it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you to Tori, my lovable niece, for being here for this episode. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she's...
Actually, I used to, but then I stopped posting videos because my mom wouldn't let me, and I don't know how.
Well, she is a really awesome person. She is one of my favorite nieces. And, I'm really glad that she got to be here for this video. And I'm sorry that we might have blown all of your ears off, because we were kind of loud.
Yeah, that was
But this game is scary. And also, if you guys would like to see more of this, let me know down in the comments below. And as well, I would like to give a quick shout out to one of the channels that is subscribed to me, and that is Anguish Cucumbers. Anguish Cucumber is a channel that...
I like cucumber, but I'm gonna eat it.
So do I. Anguish Cucumber is a channel where one of my friends does speed paint of different OCs and different characters, and I have a challenge for her. Anguish Cucumber, I want the people on this video, I want you to go down to the comments below and tell me and leave the craziest ideas, and Anguish, I want you to incorporate it in one of your drawings. It can be like a scene or a character. Anyway, guys, do that for Anguish, and also, if you haven't, go check out some of my other videos. I will try to, I will
Hold on, lady.
do something. Hold on. Please. I'll do my outro. And also, subscribe right down there below, and also hit that like button and leave a comment. What is your favorite animatronic on the screen right now?
You know,
I mean, we know who's not gonna win. I mean, obviously. And as always, guys, if you haven't already, say hi to your mom, say hi to dad, say hi to cat, say hi to dog, say hi to fish, say hi to your balloon boy that nobody cares about, and tell him it's from Harley. And I'll see you all next time.
you know what?
Bye,